So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher error code SC, drain 5C variant pump and hose fix. So fix 1 is reset the dishwasher. Control board glitches may occur in the dishwasher. To reset the system, turn off and unplug the dishwasher or flip the circuit breaker for 5 to 10 minutes. If the error code reappear, proceed to perform physical check. Second fix is clean the filter and sump. Remove the bottom rack and spray arm. Twist the cylindrical filter assembly counterclockwise and lift it out. Rinse the filter roughly under hot running water with a soft brush. Check the sump pit for label glass ice or food particle and remove them. Third fix is check the drain hose. Pull the dishwasher out slightly to access the drain hose. Trace the corrugated drain hose from the dishwasher to the sink drain. Straighten any tightened bends in the drain hose. Verify the high loop of the drain hose under the countertop. Ensure the high loop is present to prevent backflow of sink water waste into the dishwasher. Fourth fix is inspect the drain pump. Turn off power at the circuit breaker. Locate the drain pump typically found underneath the machine. Check the impeller for visible damage or debris. If the impeller is loose, wobble or is difficult to turn, consider replacing the pump. Thanks for watching.